Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and just before I start today's video, I just want to make you all aware of the trading signal service that we provide here. If you would like to receive trading signals from me, myself, or the rest of the team here at Daily Market Movements, then you can do so simply by visiting our website. Once on the website, you'll see that we charge a very small fee of $249 for a year's membership. What I'm going to do is leave the website link below this video in the description, so if you do want to join our team, all you have to do is simply scroll down now, click on that link, which will then take you to our website, and then that's where you're going to be able to join our service. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you on our team soon.
So guys, in front of me is the gold over the US dollar charts, and as you can see today, we've had a very bullish day here in the gold markets. We're now trading back above 1900 at 1909, which is a great development for the bulls in gold. And as you can see, we're currently trading just above the 50-day EMA, which again is a very positive development here in the gold markets. This now opens up the door towards 1950, so that is now my short-term target. And then above 1950, we of course have 2000, which is more of a psychological large number, which I think we will then target once we can clear 1950. So now my short-term target, I was waiting to see whether we could get that close above the 50-day EMA. Although the US session still has a couple more hours, I will be keeping a very close eye. If we can get that daily close above 1900, then I'm a buyer aiming towards 1950. So I'm going to put that green line there, which is my short-term target. So going into Friday, we have the non-farm payrolls job number, so that could be very volatile for the markets. It could trigger a move up towards 1950, or equally it could trigger a move back down. So going into Friday, I will be keeping an eye on the non-farm payroll number. Remember, on Wednesday we had the private numbers out and they were better than expected, so that could potentially be an indication going into the Friday non-farm payroll number that we could be expecting a better than expected number, which typically that would have a negative impact on gold, but gold has been pretty well correlated with the stock market as of recent, for probably like the past 12 months really. So when the markets go up, gold tends to follow it, and that's exactly what's happened in today's session. We've had the stock market rallying and we've had gold follow it. And the reason that I believe that we have been rallying in the stock market and of course in the gold markets, it's not just because of this second stimulus deal that is looming. If that news was to come out of Washington, that the government in Washington has agreed on that second stimulus deal worth roughly around $2.4 trillion, then that will definitely give gold and the stock market a boost. But I also think what's helping gold rally here is the US dollar. The US dollar has just lost so much strength over the past couple of days. We're trading at around 93 again. We did go up to around 94 to 95, and we've fallen back down to 93. And it looks to me that we could even go and target 92 on the US dollar index. So a lower dollar helps stocks and helps gold. So that's why I think that we're rallying here. So very good day for the gold bulls here. And yeah, as I mentioned, I think 1950 is the next target here for the gold markets. RSI is looking healthy. Technically, we're looking healthy. We're back above the 50-day EMA, and fundamentally, I don't think we've ever looked even. I don't believe we've ever looked even better than where we are right now. Interest rates around the globe are near to zero. We have the Fed that's about to agree. Sorry, not the Fed, but the US government, which is about to agree a second stimulus package, which means more printing of US dollars, which weakens the US dollar. So that's very good for the gold markets. As well as that, we have a second wave of coronavirus looming, which is typically bullish for gold. We also have the US elections coming up next month, which creates uncertainty in the markets, which gold being a safe haven creates more demand for gold, which is also positive. And finally, we had the US tensions with China. We've got some more tensions arising with the TikTok, the whole scenario with the TikTok deal. China are not happy at all with the US government. So, uncertainty with regards to US and China partnership, that also benefits gold. So we are in a very good position for gold here. I believe that we will go to all-time high. All-time highs. I do believe that eventually we will go towards 2,300. It will take time. It's not just going to happen overnight. But this is a very good development for gold here. The fact that we pierced below the 50-day EMA, well, it wasn't the end of the world, but it wasn't good news at all. It opened up the door to fall all the way down to 50, where the 200-day EMA is, but the fact that we've turned it around and we're now trading back above the 50-day EMA is very encouraging indeed. I'm a buyer, no interest in shorting this market as long as we're trading above the 50-day EMA. 1950 is my short-term target, with my longer-term target up at 2,000 and 2,100.